Hello everyone, this is Kay from Kusu Group. Last time we introduced the semi-open impeller. Okay, this two is semi-open impeller. Well, today we will introduce SS316 CNC Machining. First, SS316 is an austenitic stainless steel with molybdenum and higher nickel content. Compared with SS304, SS316 is superior in terms of corrosion resistance, high temperature resistance, and strength. Second, what are the CNC machining characteristics of SS316? 1. Machining difficulty. SS316 has high hardness and toughness, and is prone to work hardening and faster tool wear during machining. Therefore, special attention needs to be paid when selecting tool materials and design machining parameters. 2. Cutting parameters: reasonable cutting speed, feed rate, and the depth of outer incision to ensure machining quality and extend tool life. Lower cutting speeds and higher feed rates are usually used. 3. Cutting process. The use of high-efficiency coolant can effectively reduce the cutting temperature, prevent overheating of the tool, and improve the machining surface quality. 4. Tool selection: use tool materials with good wear resistance and impact resistance, such as carbide tools, chemical tools, or coated tools like PVD coating. Third, what are the applications of SS316 CNC machining? Medical devices. 2. Chemical equipment. 3. Marine CNC machining service for high-precision CNC manufacturing and processing. Kusu Group is your best choice. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.